not much about clothes, but my hair looks fierce.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited that you're here with me, and I'm going to show you some amazing products that I found. They are truly amazing and super great for your hair and worth the price. They all range about $8 total for each product, but they are so worth it, and you get a lot of good product for your money. The products that I have here are from Hairitage. I'm finally getting into the video that I wanted to create for quite a while, but I really wanted to see if it was a truly great product or not. So I've been using it for a while every time I wash my hair, and it's amazing. Change my outfit, and I'm going to get started with this demo / review of the Hairitage hair care line of products. I probably won't do the conditioner today, but I'll give you a little bit of how the product worked for me. But today I'm going to use something that I haven't used, is the hair mask from the same company, Mask-querade. I'm going to use that in place of the conditioner, and I have a little product here on the side to show you and to tell you about. It's not from Hairitage, but it works so well. It has kind of like the same scent, and it goes well with the line of products, so I'll show you that product when that time comes. But first, we're going to get started with the Hairitage Out of My Hair Gentle Daily Cleanser. Hairitage is brought to you by mayneed.Quick. I'm not sure who she is, but she makes a fantastic product, I have to say. It's a very gentle daily shampoo, and it works so well. Right here I have a spray bottle right here full of coconut water, because as I said, I bought a lot of coconut water, so I'm using it, and I'm going to spray my hair and get it all damp and ready to do my shampoo, just like at the salons when they try to keep your hair wet. So I'm doing the same thing, a little bit here and there, getting everything, getting it really wet, kind of like a damp texture. I know I should be doing it in the bathroom, but my bathroom, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of my bathroom, so yeah, I like doing my videos in here. It's in a convenient pump top, and it comes out like a gel almost, as you can see right here, a little bit of a yellowish white gel, and you don't need too much, but I'm going to put in a little bit more because I really styled my hair, so I'm going to put in a little bit extra today. Give it some gentle, nice love. I'm going to emulsify it in my hands. I'm going to massage it in my hair, and it smells so great. The aroma is so nice, and it's so gentle on your hair, and it has a lot of natural, beautiful ingredients. It's sulfate, paraben, everything you can imagine free. And with the limited amount of water that I put in my hair, the product is going through so well. You can see that's pretty much going in. It just glides through your hair and gets everything clean. Massaging it in, not using your fingernails, use your fingertips, because you don't want to damage your scalp, and that will create dandruff and loose, ugly skin that you don't want on your scalp. The product smells so great. I know it's not like a big thing for people, but I'm all about scent but high quality as well, and this has everything I'm looking for in a shampoo. And it's great for color treated hair. It doesn't strip your color, actually revitalizes your color and gives back the nutrients that you've lost. Especially if you're processing your hair a lot, you need extra love and attention for your hair, so this is a great system to give your hair that kind of love and attention. I'm going to be going to the bathroom and rinsing out my hair, and we're going to get into the next step. My hair is so nice right now. I know it doesn't look very fresh. I kind of look like Medusa's weirdo sister, but whatever. We're going to get through this video. I'm going to show you this special product that I've been using. It's not from Hairitage, but it's a different product that works really well with the combo kit that I have here. Rooted Rituals is another wonderful brand. This one is kind of pricey. It's $10, but it gets the job done. A little bit goes a long way, and it's very effective. It's a scalp scrub. It's the Quick Rinse Scalp Scrub with ginger root and mint. It gives a nice gentle feel on your scalp, and you can feel it working, and it gives you a nice tingly minty sensation. It's kind of like opening up your scalp. Like, you can feel everything once you're using it. It feels so nice. It has actual granules in the product, very fine granules. It's exfoliation for your hair, and we're going to go into your scalp and massage it around like we would do for our actual facial scrub. We're doing the same thing for our hair. So it's kind of like a hair care facial. It's kind of like a hair show for your hair. So we're going to actually be stimulating our scalp. It gets down in the nitty-gritty and really gets loose all that dead skin cells from your hair, all of the junk from the day. You can get really invigorated in the morning time. It's so refreshing when you have a nice warm shower and you smell all the ingredients, and you can really feel that tingle when you use that warm water. I have to say, it gives you a nice, really good, clean, tingling feeling. After I wash my hair and come back to you, I have a very special guest to tell you more about how the product worked for them. I'm joined by Casual Baron. See, I told you he'd be coming, telling you all about this Rooted Rituals hair scrub.
Got my hair cut, and I use this stuff to get my scalp all cleaned up, and I got an oily scalp and all that, and this stuff just went like, it took care of me, y'all. It took care of me. It's good stuff. Like, you know, I did my pre-clean with some like regular shampoo and get all the oil out, because that's something you got to do. Got the oil out of my hair, went for the second wash and got that scrub to get all that junk and everything, and it worked fantastic. Like, dang, that is good stuff.
I'm not going to use the conditioner today because I'm going to go into the mask, because I never used that one, so that will be a first impression item for myself and for all of you in case you haven't seen it yet. This one is the Hairitage Held High Volume Conditioner, and it really does give your hair volume, but also gives your hair nutrients and revitalizes your hair and detangles your hair while washing. So it's great for your hair. It's a lotion sort of based formula. It emulsifies into a creamy, rich, lotiony lather that you can work into your hair. Adds a nice light body to your hair and gives your hair a lot of life that other shampoos or coloring and processing might strip out. This alone will replenish your hair with all the nice vital nutrients and ingredients in it. I'm going to get into the hair mask today. This is the Mask-querade Transforming Hair Mask, and I'm taking a nice clean spatula. You always have to make sure that they're clean, and I'm going to open this up. See, it's really brand new. It smells so fantastic. And I'm going to scoop in with enough product. I'm going to just put it in the palm of my hand and then emulsifying it in our hands. Ooh, it smells so rich. It's kind of like a paste sort of texture that we're going to run through our hair. If we can get the scalp as well, but sometimes that's hard with like certain hair textures. Not using too much product, because over use of the product might not be too good for our scalp and hair. We don't want to create more problems with our hair, so if we can minimize the problems, that would be great. And we're just going to make sure that we get the top roots and the ends as well. We always have to work those ends because those are the most neglected pieces of hair ever. We're going to take a hair clip and we're going to pin our hair back while we wait for our mask to process. This mask will take up to 10 minutes. You can use a shower cap with this if you want to get added moisture to your hair, and you can leave it in for 8 hours while you sleep. So that's another trick that you can use. You can either have it on for 10 minutes or you can have it on overnight. The timer just went off, so I'm going to wash and rinse this stuff out of my hair. The mask feels pretty good, but it's very dense and very thick and rich. I'm hoping that it will be easy to wash out and I don't have to fight with my hair. The mask is actually really good. It's like a thick conditioner. When I was washing my hair, I thought it was going to be very challenging to remove the product, but it wasn't that way at all. If you need an extra touch of care to your hair and it's all damaged, this would be a great product for very damaged hair. It's a very good experience. I didn't have any problems with it, thank God. So very easy to use. The last step after washing your hair and masking and everything is the styling, and today I'm using the Magic Dust texturizing powder. This is similar to the Chi powder, but this one doesn't stick and clump up in your hair. The Chi one that I've used, this one clumps up in your hair and it leaves a weird residue in your scalp, and it doesn't really do much for your hair. It actually weighs down your hair. The mask didn't weigh down my hair either as well, so that was pretty wonderful. I didn't feel like my hair was weighted. This is pretty much garbage for $16.29 that I paid a long time ago. It didn't really do nothing for me. It just kind of makes your hair all gunky in the long run and doesn't really give you any volume and no texture at all. What a waste of a product. This one is very light, feather light. It smells wonderful. It gives your hair nice volume without weighing it down and causing any kind of clumping in your hair. It doesn't make your hair feel nasty or weighted. It's just all around very nice. It says that it's great for braids and buns, but you can also use it for texturizing your hair as well to give your hair a little bit of lift. You could just sprinkle it into your hair after you're done blow drying. You can just use it and sprinkle it in. I will show you what I do after I blow dry my hair, so I'll be back. I just got done styling my hair with ease. The products that I washed my hair with are amazing, so styling was a breeze, no hassles. I'm going to show you how to use the Magic Dust product. I'm just going to separate my hair and just gently sprinkle in the product. You don't need to tap too many times, just a tap or two, wherever you feel comfortable with and where you want your volume mainly. I'm going to massage it into my hair, just a little bit of floofing, not too much, just a little bit, just to get the job done, especially at the crown area. If you want extra volume, you can take a teasing brush like this and just tease the roots of your hair underneath, just a little bit. Make sure that it doesn't look too messed up. Gently like floof it up. You can brush out the volumizing that you just did with the same brush. Just make sure that you're not overly brushing when you're trying to make it presentable. Make sure everything is even. Make sure that you're lifting up gently. Don't apply too much pressure, just gently fly. Just gently feather the hair where you want it, and a little bit of positioning sometimes is needed in case it's not to your liking. You might have to like push up a little bit, or you know, do something to promote that volume that you want. Make sure it looks presentable and even with the volume that you want in the mirror. Your mirror is your best friend with styling your hair, so make sure that you're always looking at your mirror. Take a little bit of Got2b glued blasting free spray, which is amazing, and we're going to just spray, cover our eyes and let the spray flow, and then let it dry down, and you will have your hair set and ready to go for the day, night, wherever you're going. Even if you're staying at your house, you can maintain your look with ease and flawlessness. I really recommend these products if you're in the market for a new hair care system. This is it. They're affordable, budget friendly, and they get the job done. I recommend Hairitage products to everyone that I know right now. Thank you so much for watching my Hairitage review video, and I hope that you all enjoyed it in this time of freaking crisis and uneasiness. I hope that this can bring you some sort of joy or something to watch at least. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. It'd be super appreciated. You're appreciated for even being here watching my videos. And why not subscribe? It's free. Unlike Netflix and Disney Plus and all these other streaming services, subscribing is free, so you don't have to pay anything, not even a dime, to subscribe. So press that notification bell while you can, and you'll be notified when I post a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. So be on the lookout for those uploads. As well, follow me on all my social media. The link is in the description, along with a lot of beautiful and wonderful deals and steals, coupon codes, and affiliate links for you to choose from. I have my Avon shop available, and the distribution center is open, so go down there, pick up all the essential stuff that you need for you and for your household and family. So go down there in the link down below for my Avon shop. I would super appreciate it so much if you let me be your representative today. If you're ordering, mention me somewhere. I'm not sure where, but just mention me somewhere. I would appreciate it so much. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.